Well, the clinical program included the treatment of trigeminal neuralgia, spinal tumors, recurrences of glioma, with the diagnostic improvement of MRI and CT PET. But a great improvement in the treatment of AVMs was due to the introduction of the three-dimensional angiography that allow us a perfect contour of AVMs needles, reducing side effects. The second CyberKnife was installed in August 23, 2011. The rationale was to increase the number of treatments both with the neurosurgical pathologies and for body pathologies from the colleagues of radiation oncology department. The treatments were faster and the dose distribution was improved. We always treat the same pathologies, but our effort is to treat especially patients with the large AVMs using volume stage strategies. We received pediatric patients from all over Italy, and we continue to treat acoustic schwannoma and meningioma, pituitary adenoma, with good results in case of large neuromas. The team today for neurosurgical pathology consists in 3 physicians, 4 radiology technicians, 2 nurses and 1 administrative person. Then there is a team of radiation oncologists of 4 physicians for body pathologies.